The functional group of acyl chloride is COCl, which is C is double bonded with oxygen and chlorine. So basically this is the functional group of acyl chloride. Here there is two carbons, so it is ethanol chloride. Here is three carbons, so it is propanol chloride, and four carbon means butanol chloride. But this COCl, if there is a hydrogen right here, is unstable at room temperature. This particular thing, which is HCOCl, is unstable at room temperature, and it will decompose to form HCl and carbon monoxide, and hence cannot be isolated from the reaction mixture. So basically it doesn't form. So this, it starts from ethanol chloride, not methanol chloride, because methanol chloride decomposes to form HCl and CO. So acyl chlorides always are given started from ethanol chloride. Now the reactions of acyl chloride with water. How does the acyl chlorides react with water? So when we'll react when we'll react acyl chloride with water, it will form carboxylic acid and HCl. And the observation will be steamy misty fumes if the water is added drop by drop. Now, the second part is the reaction of acyl chlorides with alcohol. When you react acyl chloride with alcohol, it forms an ester. An ester is formed, and an HCl is also formed. This is the reaction which produces ester, right? When acyl chloride is reacted with alcohol. And we have also seen previously that carboxylic acids are reacted with alcohol to form ester, right? We have seen previously that carboxylic acids are also reacted with alcohol to form ester. Now, acyl chloride can also be reacted with alcohol to form ester, and carboxylic acid can also be reacted with alcohol to form ester. But which one is more effective, and which one we should choose over the other one? Now, you should always choose between carboxylic acid and you should always choose to react acyl chloride with alcohol to form the ester over carboxylic acid and alcohol to produce the ester. Why do we always choose acyl chloride and alcohol reaction to form carboxylic acid? Because no catalysts are required, no heatings are required, you don't need to reheat that, and the reaction will produce higher yield. Why higher yield? Because the reaction is not reversible, whereas the reaction of carboxylic acid and alcohol were reversible, which produced lesser yield of product. Okay. And third, then the next point is acyl chloride reacts much more clearly than the carboxylic acid. Acyl chloride reacts much more quickly with alcohol than carboxylic acid. The fifth advantage is the carbon in acyl chloride is more electropositive than the carbon in carboxylic acid. As it is more electropositive, the CCl bond is weaker than the COH bond, because we know C double O and OH, this is the carboxylic and this is the chlorine, right? So as this carbon in the acyl chloride is more positive than this carbon in the OH group, this CCl is weaker. As this carbon is more positive, this is more weaker, and this is a little stronger because this carbon is less electropositive than this carbon. As it is more weaker, this chlorine can leave this carbon more easily, because chlorine is better leaving group than OH as well. So these are the main reasons. The first reason is the carbon in the acyl chloride is more electropositive, so the CCl bond is weaker, and the carbon in the COOH group is a little more is a little less electropositive than this carbon. So the bonding of COH group is a bit stronger than the CCl bond, and this chlorine is also a better leaving group than this OH minus. So this Cl minus will leave this carbon more easily. That's why we always favor, or this is the advantages of acyl chloride reaction with alcohol rather than the carboxylic acid reaction with alcohol to form the ester. Okay. Now moving forward, we will learn about the reactions of acyl chloride with concentrated ammonia. When we will react acyl chloride with ammonia, it produces a 1-degree amide and an HCl. It will produce a 1-degree amide with HCl, and when we will react this primary um, when we will react acyl chloride with a primary amide rather than a concentrated ammonia, it will form a 2-degree amide because there is two methyl groups right here. So it has produced 2-degree amide. It has produced 2-degree amide. Now when we will react acyl chloride with a secondary amine rather than a primary amine, it will produce 3-degree amide. That means there will be 3 methyl groups. You can see 2 CH3 and another CH3. So it produces 3 methyl groups. So basically 1-degree amide has 1 methyl group, 2-degree amide has 2 methyl group, 3-degree amide has 3 methyl groups. So basically this is how the reaction of acyl chloride with concentrated ammonia are carried out. Now there is nothing to make you understand about these equations. You can understand these, I hope. The main thing that you guys will have to do, my last tips and tricks for you guys in this organic chemistry reactions chapters will be to memorize all of these reactions and the colors, what actually forms. Can you guys remember now what is the color of the silver mirror that has been formed in the Tollens reagent? You guys will have to be remembering this color because these are the colors that is asked in the question. Do you know the formula of the iodoform? The formula of the iodoform was CHI3. So basically these are the things that is very important to understand, which I highlighted in the throughout the video, right? Which I highlighted throughout the video. And I will also post a simple reaction note on all the notes that is there in unit 4 and unit 5 organic chemistry. And the next video I will be also bringing up the unit 5 organic chemistry as well as NMR spectroscopy, chromatography, and few more organic chemistry things. Basically, within next 7 days, we'll be covering all the unit 4 and unit 5 organic chemistry parts. So please stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more and more videos on these chapters. And we have also uploaded a video of chemical equilibrium of unit 4 organic chemistry, as well as unit 2 chapter wise question paper solving videos. If you want to join our high impact crash course, you can join our high impact crash course and question papers marathon course as well for May 25 and October 25 exams. We will be giving all the details of the courses in the comment box. And in the middle of the video, I hope you guys have seen the details of our courses, right? So basically, these are the things from our end that we are providing to the A levels of Edexcel and Cambridge students. Hopefully, inshallah, you guys will score really high on your May 25, October 25, and any upcoming exam. And you guys can also join our course before any upcoming exam, whether it is May 25, October 25, Jan 26, or May 26. High impact crash course and question papers marathon course are the two courses that we always offer to our students. So have a good day, guys, and if you want this note, comment down below. I will provide you guys with the note. Have a good day, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.